Hi guys, this is Vinayak Oja. In the last video, we have discussed about the firewall of the server and what are the ports. In this video, I am going to talk about in detail how to use those concepts on the AWS. As I told you that security groups has the incoming and the outgoing traffics, and we call them as inbound and the outbound rules. On the screen, you can see that I have my two servers which are stopped for now, but we can access the security part here from the security. Just scroll little bit up and you will have the security group. I will open it in the new tab for more detailed overview. So here is the name of your security group and the security group ID, everything, when it was created, in which VPC it is. If you don't know about the VPC, we'll talk about this in our upcoming videos, so stay connected for this. And you can see that I have two inbound rules, which is I can see here the two permission entries, and for the outbound I have one permission entry. Now what are those? Let's scroll a bit more down and you will see inbound rules and the outbound rules. So in the inbound rules, I have given the two ports to be open for my server, which is 8080 and 22. 22 is for accepting the SSH connection as discussed in our last video, and the port number 8080 is the by default port of the Tomcat. So in our course we cover up the Tomcat as well as our web server, so stay connected. So 8080 can accept the traffic from anywhere. Now I'm going to show you how to open a port. Just click on the edit inbound rules, click here on the add rule. Once you have it, you can select whether you want for the SSH, whether you want for the MySQL, SMTP, whatever you want. So as I am very specific about the ports, I will go and I will just open the HTTPS port. HTTPS. Here we have the HTTP, here I have the HTTPS. Automatically it will take the protocol as TCP and the port range is 443. Now I have the source options available. Anywhere from the IPv4, anywhere from the IPv6 and my IP. If I select on the my IP, definitely it is going to select my Wi-Fi router IP address, which I am using right now on the current network I am on. So only I can access the server from if I am connected through this IP address. If I don't have the access from this IP address, I will be not able to go forward. So I will select the anywhere IPv4. Why? Because I want the traffic from the around the globe to accept the connections, and I will just click on the save. Once we have this, you can see that I have updated this entries and we have the three permission entries right now, which says one is for the type SSH, one for the custom TCP, and one is for the HTTPS. Okay, in the same manner we can go and select our outbound rules. By default it should be accepting all the traffic over all the ports, right? Not accepting sending. Okay, so these are the rules and how you configure the outbounds and the inbound rules on the security group of your instances. So stay connected. We will be coming up with more interesting videos in more depth. So like, share and subscribe our channel. Have a good day. Thank you.